Today we're at Trevino Middle School in the La Joya ISD Summer STEM program. Students are developing computational thinking skills by using drones to solve real-world challenges through sequencing, pattern recognition, problem solving, and algorithm design. As they create, test, and refine drone programs, students apply coding concepts such as commands, loops, conditions, and debugging to successfully complete flight missions. At La Joya ISD, we are committed to providing innovative learning experiences that prepare students for the future. Through STEM education, students build critical thinking, collaboration, creativity, and technology skills that would help them succeed in school, future careers, and an ever-changing world. We are proud to inspire the next generation of problem solvers, innovators, and leaders.